GLUU currently at $2.26. Guys, getting a bounce off this 20-day simple moving average we see coming up right here. The 20-day simple moving average is currently at $2.24. Right now at the 10-day is also at 227. So 224, 227, 217 are going to be the key ones that we're watching for here. Big move over here on the 13th and the 17th. Obviously right here, you guys had that bounce off the 20-day. Started moving up off of that. Let's see, what was the close at? The close was at 225 and then open at 225. This would have been a perfect setup over here. And then unfortunately, it was brought down today. I mean, this right here, the last two trading sessions were seriously picture perfect, in my personal opinion. Coming down off that 20-day, and then you broke through that 10-day. If I was watching this one, especially yesterday, I'd been like, hey, watch this thing. It's going to keep going. Unfortunately, that's not going to be the case right here. So you guys are forming that eagle nose that we talk about, that resistance level up here at the 230, and that 20-day simple moving average is going to obviously keep coming up to right here. So you guys get that idea. Which way is it going to go? Up or down? It's going to dictate that move. That's what we're going to be watching for. Getting a close above that 230 is going to be a great start in my personal opinion. A close at 232 would be even better. So watch for that 20-day to hold. That's my biggest concern at this point. Watch for that 20-day to hold at 223.98 or call that 224, okay? We're going to be watching for that 224 to hold. If that doesn't, you guys could travel down to the next line of support, which is going to be, my personal opinion, down here around the 30-day as low as 215. I can actually move that down to 215 because even though it could tap that and then rest on the 30-day simple moving average. That's my personal opinion. Very, very crucial time for this one. But look at on how stable this one is. Seriously, since April 3rd, look at this. Right there between the 225 and 230 mark. Right there, you know, obviously to go up and down a little bit above and below that. But look at how much it's stabilized. I would watch this one, really. I mean, looking at the past here, watch for it to break out. It definitely does break out off of that 230. So if we break that 230, watch for a breakout.
Yeah, so I'm not seeing any recent news on them. On April 12th, they had a press release. It was Glu Mobile announces new employment inducement awards, and that's basically Glu Mobile Incorporated, a leading global developer and publisher of free-to-play mobile games, announced on April 11th, its compensation committee awarded the following equity awards in aggregate to 11 newly hired employees, restricted stock units covering an aggregate of 161,600 shares of Glu's common stock, and 2 stock option awards to purchase an aggregate of 227,400 shares of Glu's common stock, each pursuant to Glu's 2008 equity inducement plan. So that's pretty much that. That's the only press release that they had. Let's see. Looking at their filings, see if there's anything new. No, that's pretty much that. I mean, we're waiting on their quarterly and stuff to come up soon enough. All right, so if you have an opinion or you're looking to do more due diligence on Glu Mobile, just go right over to that GLUU board right on there, Investor Hangout. You'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used on the site daily by posting right over there on that GLUU board.
All right, and that's what we got going on right here. Look at all the information that Joe was just talking about at your fingertips, especially the news. Like I say, it's really easy to just look at the headline and pop that news up really quick and easy. Time and sales, one of my personal favorites, like I always say. You guys have the time and price and volume of each individual trade right there, completely free at your fingertips. Watch for the chart. 226 for a break of 230. Could pop from there. Resistance is going to be at 230, 45, and 55. Support at 25, 215, and 215 must hold. You guys break that 215, it could fall apart from there, but same thing with 230. And you break 230, you're closer to 230. You break that 230, you can really rock and roll, in my personal opinion. So be watching for that break, GLUU. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We would appreciate that very much. And hit that like button if you feel that this video has helped you. Join us for our next live show. where we go through these stock tickers live, where you guys pick them and we go through them on investorshangout.com/live. Again, that's investorshangout.com/live.